Hey guys, if you're a digital marketer or you're starting out with digital marketing, then tools are the most important thing that can help you in your journey. Doing tasks manually in digital marketing is quite difficult and it is bit time consuming. So it's better to use a tool that can save your time and efforts. Be an expert or a beginner, everyone needs a tool to get the results quickly. So I've listed top 7 best tools that can help you in your digital marketing journey. So if you're interested, keep watching. Hey guys, I'm Muqtadir Ahmad Khan, trainer, speaker and consultant, and you're watching Digital Bhajan. So let's get started. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and share it with your friends who wanted to learn free digital marketing courses. So without wasting further time, let's see what are these best tools. So our first website is SimilarWeb. This website tells you everything about your website as well as your competitor website. Let's see what information this website can give you. Let's suppose if I want to analyze this website called HubSpot.com, just copy the URL and paste it over here. It will show you the results, and just click on this result, HubSpot.com, and it will show you everything about this website. So this tool will tell you everything, right from when it is founded, what are estimated employees. Apart from this, if we go further, it will tell you about global ranking, country ranking and category rank. See, its category rank is number 1. That's why I choose this website. You can set this website as an idle if you're doing digital marketing stuff. And when we move forward, it will tell you about traffic overview, how much traffic it is gaining. See, 31.66 million traffic it is gaining, and it is really huge. Apart from this, you can see here the different section like overview, referral, search. Just click on this and it will give you information about referrals, search and everything. It is showing top referral site, top destination site, organic traffic, paid traffic and top keywords for which this website is ranking. And you can even download all this report in a PDF format. So go ahead and explore this amazing website. Our next tool or website is SpyFu. It is also one of the amazing tool or website. Most of the experts use it for keyword research and competitor analysis. Let's see what this website brings us. Just paste your URL here and press enter. See, it will also give you organic keywords, monthly clicks, the organic reach or organic clicks which we are getting versus paid clicks which we are getting. This website is getting 99% of organic clicks, and it is really amazing. But these tools are, you can say, most accurate one, like Href, SpyFu. These will give you an nearly accurate data. So see, it will show you paid result, PPC, estimated PPC clicks. Apart from this, it will also give you a section like competition, shared keyword, top keywords, and when you scroll down, it will show you organic competitors. See, Neil Patel is number 1 competitor for this website. WordStream is second one. So you can analyze these website. Another amazing thing about this tool is competitor shared keyword. Let's suppose this blue circle is for HubSpot.com, and this red circle is for neilpatel.com, and the third circle is for wordstream.com. So these 3 websites have few similar keywords. If you bring the cursor over here, it will show you 46,222 keywords shared between these two domains. That means 46,222 keywords are similar for both the website, that is HubSpot.com and neilpatel.com. If we move forward, it will show you top keywords, top paid keywords and top organic keywords. It will also show you the top pages for which this website is ranking. You can click here and it will show you keyword difficulty, volume, position, clicks, organic clicks and everything about this particular page. And that's to for free. You can export this file also. So just explore this thing. It's amazing tool. SpyFu is one of the best tool in the market. Now let's move into a third tool, Ahref Backlink Checker. But there are few tools that you can use through this Ahref. If you scroll to the bottom of this website, you can see free tools: backlink checker, broken link checker, website authority checker. So these all tools are for free. You can use it for free. So go ahead and check these website, check these tools. For now we only see a backlink checker. Just paste your URL here and make sure that subdomain is selected and click on check backlinks. Obviously you are not robot, so click on here and text is verify. So it will give you a domain rating, backlinks and referring domain. It will give you top 100 backlinks with referring page with domain rating, URL rating, referring domains, traffic and anchor text also. It's an amazing insight and you can check every single page here. If you are a competitor of HubSpot, you can check out these website and create a backlink on this website. Go ahead and check this backlink checker tool or other free tools from Ahref. And if you can afford this tool, go ahead and purchase that one. It's worth it. Now our next tool is exploding topics. This is pretty amazing. You may heard of Google Trends. Google Trend will tell you about the current situation and current trends of digital marketing or any topic, but this tool will show you future trends. Let's suppose if I select this for 2 years and I want to check a trend for 2 years, and if I select a category for digital marketing is marketing, it will tell us what are the keywords and what are the topics that will be on trend for next 2 years. So this is Surfer SEO. If I click on this, it will give you little bit extra information here and give 3 related keywords for this particular topic. So let's suppose if I click on this SEO, it will again give you a result and you can see their regular and exploding. What does that mean? This regular means this SEO service keyword is growing at a regular pace, but this software as a service SEO will be on boom, will be exploding for next 2 years. So this is really amazing. You can use this tool to make your content, make your future content actually. So go ahead and check this tool also. Our next tool is Hemingway Editor or Hemingway app. This is pretty amazing. If you are a content writer or a blogger, this is must-have tool. It will give you a readability test for your content. It will tell you whether your article is readable enough or not. If it is not readable, you can make it readable. It will suggest you similar words like this one. If you want to change this utilize into use, then you can just click here and it will change, and it will correct a spelling mistake also. You can actually do much more in this. You can write your own article here, and while you're writing it will tell you everything about your content. And if you want to edit your article, you can edit from here. So go ahead and check this tool. It is really amazing. If you're a blogger, this is must-have tool and it is completely free. Our next tool is SEO Dub. What you can do with this tool is you can paste your URL here and add a keywords, multiple keywords, and it will give you a complete result for which you are ranking. Let's suppose I have added 5 keywords here: search engine optimization, SEO, email marketing, social media marketing and digital marketing. For these 5 keywords, it is ranking in USA. It is showing USA because this website is from USA, and it will show you the score of this keyword, forecast whether you are going to rank for this keyword in future or not, and your current ranking. It is just fetching a data. After this data is been fetched, it will show you complete results here. So you can do it for your own website, and you can check your future ranking also. Now our last tool is Ubersuggest. You may heard of this tool a lot. This is pretty amazing for a beginners. If you're just starting out, you don't need to spend on expensive tools. There are two things that Ubersuggest offer us, that is Ubersuggest tool and Ubersuggest Chrome extension. If you want to know how to use Ubersuggest Chrome extension, you can click on I button and you can watch a complete video over here. For now, if you want to analyze your website or competitor's website, just click on search bar and paste your URL and select a country. In this case, I'm selecting United States because this website is from United States, and you can analyze it for any other country also. So just click on search and it will give you a complete overview of that website. It will also show you the backlinks country wise or top pages as per a country. Let's suppose if I want to check for India, let's click on India and it will show you the result for India. You can click on this view all button and it will give you a deeper insight of backlinks. See, these are the top pages by country, and when you click on this view all button, it will show you the estimated visit, volume, position, estimated visit, CPC, page difficulty and SEO difficulty. And if you want to see a complete result, just click on sign in and it will show you complete results. You can get a keyword idea from here. Just type your keyword like digital marketing and press enter, and it will give you a keyword overview for United States. When you click on any of these keyword, it will give you top website that are ranking for this keyword. So go ahead and check this one also. All of these tools are really amazing and you need all of these tools in your digital marketing journey. So hope you will explore these tools and make use of these tools. If you find any difficulty using these tools, comment below or DM me on Instagram. I am super active there. So if you enjoy the video, please like and make sure to subscribe. So that's it for today. We will meet in the next video. Till then, stay motivated.